Tired of typos and unclear communication slowing down your Asana projects? Let's jump right into how to seamlessly integrate Grammarly with Asana to elevate your writing and project communication, step by step. First, make sure you have the Grammarly browser extension installed for Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, depending on your browser of choice. Just search Grammarly in your browser's web store. Click Add to Chrome or the equivalent for your browser, and then confirm the installation when prompted. Now, head over to your Asana account and open any task or project where you'll be writing text. As you type in task descriptions, comments, or updates, Grammarly will automatically analyze your text and provide real-time suggestions for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style. Simply click on the Grammarly suggestions to accept the corrections and improve your writing on the spot. And that's it. Now you can confidently communicate clearly and professionally within Asana, ensuring your projects run smoothly. Give it a try and watch your project communication transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more productivity tips.